Today, I will show you how to enable DDoS protection in Cloudflare. DDoS stands for Distributed Denial of Service, and it's usually a type of cyber attack where multiple compromised systems, often a part of a botnet, they flood a targeted server, a website, or a network with excessive traffic. DDoS protection helps you fight against that. To enable DDoS protection, you need to ensure that you're logged into your Cloudflare account. You need to find the domain which you want to enable the DDoS protection for. You need to ensure that the domain is active. Then you go to Security, click on the arrow, and in the sub-menu, you're going to click on Overview. Now, once you're on Overview, you're going to see DDoS attacks, and you're going to click on Manage DDoS Overrides. You can see the rule sets here that helps you protect your domain from these cyber attacks, and you can click here or here to create an override rule. To create a new DDoS override rule, you need the name, which is required. It's required for you to pick a rule set. It's required for you to pick the sensitivity of the rule set, and you need to set the rule configuration. Once you're done with that, you're going to click on Save, and once you're done saving, your DDoS rule is going to be listed here. And that's how you enable DDoS protection in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.